shit.
What was that you were drinking, mate?
I wasn't drinking anything, officer.
I saw you was fucking drinking, mate.
I haven't drank in 3 days,
I
man.
saw you had a can in your hand,
I'm
mate.
dehydrated as fuck, man.
You're full of it, mate. Open the trunk, mate.
No, there's nothing in the trunk, man.
You going to the fucking slammer, mate?
It's not mine.
Alright, mate. You're going to the fucking slammer. No laughing allowed. Come here, mate. Gonna fucking slap you right in your fucking noggin, mate.
Moist Boys Beer Can Air Freshener. Available now at www.moistboys.myshopify.com. Smells good, man.